Greetings. This is the plug for those who are studying. If you are having a learner struggling with maths and physics, this is a plug. Bafethu, this is a plug. Do subscribe to this channel. You will thank me later. This is for those who want to change the academics of their learners. If you want them to get distinctions and get good grades, you better subscribe. They recently launched the channel and it's something else. This is a plug. This is a platform where learners will be assisted, and it's going to be something else. Just rush to YouTube and click the subscribe button. It will help them to do more videos. Thank you so much. Let's run to YouTube. MMI Online Classes, that's the name of the channel. Let's meet on the other side. They are very good with their thing. They are very good. Let's meet on the other side. Thank you.